Hey guys, welcome back. I am excited to bring these videos to you guys. I say these because there's gonna be one or two of them at this point. And just so you know, while I'm filming this, I am still very much pregnant, and I'm guessing the videos will not go up until after I've had my baby, possibly. I'm not sure how it's all gonna work out yet, but I thought these would be some good videos to put out to give me a little bit of extra time to spend, you know, with the baby and everything. So if you're new, consider subscribing. I am Lynette and we live in Sarasota, Florida. We are currently working on finishing up the house project that we've been working on this summer for our friends. It is their vacation home, it's not ours, but we are in the final stages of decorating and furnishing the house. We were finally able to get in here this week, and I am gonna consider this a decorate with me. And then I will also do a fully finished home tour if I can. I don't know how much talking I'll be doing to the camera just because I'm not sure how it's all gonna go. So I hope you enjoy it. Let's get into it. So this is just a little bit of a look at the before. The footage I had from before was not the best. So I'll do like a before shot and then you can see this is the after. Obviously we haven't moved anything in at this point. So just thought I'd give you a little bit of a look into it in case you have not watched the previous videos. If you do want to watch those, I have them linked in a playlist, I believe. So this was when we started. There was carpeting here that we tore out, and the kitchen cabinets were all kind of a yellow color and so my dad spray painted them. This is a look at the back sitting room as it looked like before, and then another pan across the kitchen. Again, I'm sorry for the footage. I think I should have done a better job of that. This is the master bedroom. The previous owners left some furniture there, which we used some of it, you will see later, and then some of it we did not. And then this is just a look at the master bathroom. Everything did get painted. We did not do that ourselves, and they also had someone to do the trim and everything. So that really helped a ton, and yeah, it's just been a long process and we're really excited to have it done. This was our first project for someone else, so yeah, it's been a learning process, but it's been fun and challenging at the same time. Here's a look at the sunroom. It was pretty full of stuff. I had to do a lot of shopping ahead of time, but I also did a ton of shopping last minute for a lot of decorations and stuff. So I'm in the spare bedroom right now. There's two bedrooms on one side of the house and then the master bedroom on the other. And this is spare bedroom number one. I'm gonna hopefully see if my rug fits in here. And it's one that is very common. You see it quite a bit, but I really like it. And also, if I can do it, I'm gonna try and link as many things down below as I can, but it is also the kind of thing that I've gathered things for a good long while, and some of the stuff I might forget where I got, but I'll do my best. I believe most of my big area rugs are all from Rugs USA, so I love their site and everything. So that is where a lot of the area rugs are from and stuff. So I'm just gonna get started trying to do something. This is the Bennington coffee table from Target. It is not real wood, in case anyone's wondering. You can kind of tell that it's manufactured, but it does really blend in with the floor very nicely, so I like that. Something that really helped was my mom and dad and my brother were down here this week already, and they're going to be here for the winter. So my brother was able to help Nick with a lot of the heavy lifting and stuff, which was very, very helpful. So I thought I'd show you guys my favorite sheets. I have repurchased these myself, so I know how they feel. These are from Target. I don't have this particular set right now, but I think I had 2 of these sets, and I have the white set now for myself. But they are the Threshold brand from Target, and they are just really nice and soft. I don't know about you, but I've had sheets where I'll get them because they feel soft, and I forget to like put them on my face. And they're scratchy. That, or it might just take like a really long time for them to soften up, and who likes to sleep on scratchy sheets? Not me. They're pretty reasonable. These, in my opinion, are great. So it might not look like it, but it's coming. I mean, the house looks like a cyclone, but we're getting there, and you've seen me go through how many different outfits already. I almost forget what day of the week it is. But we're making progress, I think. We've had some issues with curtain rods and blinds and stuff, but we're trying to make it work. final stages. It's Saturday, so this morning I went and kind of tried to get the last of the decorations and things like that. I feel pretty good about it at this point. I might have a couple more things I need, but I am gonna try and wrap things up. Nick is here, and so he'll be helping me. I'm gonna keep this Ikea shelf pretty simple. I'm gonna start with 2 baskets underneath here, as you can see, and those were, I think, from like Marshall's or TJ Maxx or somewhere. I found this really cute globe at Marshall's. It's kind of an aqua and pink color. Okay, and I found these 2 chunky wooden candle like pillars at Walmart, and these are just some LED candles. Another tip I have is always use books on shelves, and while I would like to have more, I realize this is a vacation home, so I'm not gonna go like be extravagant about it. But I did find some really cheap ones at Ollie's. This is actually a devotional book, and I figured that'd be nice. I took the cover off of this one. I could leave it on, but I was actually looking. I often look at what color spines they are. You could also look at Goodwill and stuff. I did not have much luck down here. And then this one, I actually got one for myself. It is the Cozy Minimalist Home, and it's super fun to look at. This one was only like $4 or $5 at Ollie's, I think. And a lot of these were just, you know, a couple dollars. This one's by John Eldridge, so it's the Restoration Year 365-Day Devotional. So I also have a couple others. I have another cooking one. This one was $7, $6.99. So I don't necessarily like this part of it, but it had a white spine, and you can kind of see there, kind of blues I was gravitating towards. And then this one I picked up at TJ Maxx. This one was $15, which I have it myself. So it's just one of those classic books. And I'd like to have more books on here, but this is kind of all I bought, and I don't want to go too extreme. So this is what I've got going on right now. I may tweak it a little bit yet, but it's pretty simple. However, I don't want it to feel too cluttered, but this is just something to give you some ideas. If you also need more ideas, I have a couple videos myself of different ways I've styled mine at home. So I put a couple toys down here on the bottom. Well, I say toys, not exactly toys, but some coloring books, some pens, crayons, a football. They've got children, so I figured, I'll put a couple things in there just to, you know, make it a little fun in case they need something. right, I think this is gonna conclude the video for today. I really hope you all enjoyed it and are looking forward to the final tour of the house. I am pretty proud of it, I must say. We worked a ton. This is our first try at, you know, doing a house for someone else. And I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. There were some glitches along the way and everything, but yeah, I'm excited to show you guys the final reveal. And that one should be up in my next video, so be on the lookout for that. But if you're new, definitely consider subscribing. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.